Over the next few videos using HISE's Scriptnode system, we're going to build a simple spatial effect. So this features a stereo widener, then we have a width control on the UI, a reverb with a bypass switch, and an audio analyzer. And we're going to build this visually without writing any code. So Scriptnode is perfect for projects like this, and is very powerful, and you can create all kinds of complicated DSP algorithms just by connecting nodes together. But if you ever need more control or you want to get deeper into DSP, HISE offers a few other options. We have Snex, which is HISE's own lightweight scripting language for writing custom DSP, and this works within Scriptnode. We also have Faust, which is a functional DSP language, and this is great for complicated processing and building synths and physical models. And if you want to do something that HISE just isn't able to do with its built-in features, you can actually use C++ for making high-performance native modules that you can bring into HISE either through Scriptnode or through some of the other methods HISE has for working with C++. So head over to the next video and we'll get started on this project.